Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorial. Hope you all are doing good. Today, in Leadership, Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to learn about 5Ps. What are these 5Ps? First of all, tell me, are you ready to transform your life as a leader? Are you really looking forward to that leadership success and transform in your personal and professional life? Are you ready for the professional and the personal development? Are you really looking forward to make your life the epitome of success and reaching that ultimate potential? If the answer to all the above questions I asked is yes, then you are in the right place, and let's start learning. What are these 5S and what does it take to become that leader? The first is smile. The second S stands for stability. The third S stands for serenity. Fourth S stands for simplicity, and last but not the least, 5S stands for shine. You need to shine, outshine on your achievements and be outstanding in attaining and pursuing your goals. Right? So, coming back to those 5S, let us understand them one by one. Number one, smile. You have to smile to break the ice, right? We all know that. To start a conversation or to initiate any professional or the personal negotiations or the communication, you need to smile, right? Just to break that ice. So once you have smiled, you are halfway there to start your conversation. You don't need to feel nervous or have that anxiety or jitters. Everybody goes through the same before cracking that deal or before starting those negotiations or before talking about the complicated things, right? So you need to first of all start your communications, whether it is you are into your professional settings or you are into your personal settings dealing with some new acquaintances or strangers or relatives, or if you are in a professional setting where you are dealing or talking with your stakeholders or some new client or your colleagues might be, right? New colleagues. So you have to smile first, right? It, it takes courage to smile as well, right? At times it does take courage, and you have to be that courageous even to smile in the face of adversity. That's the ultimate and most crucial quality as a leader, right? Next is stability. Be stable in and firm in your approaches, in your decision making, and go ahead and stick with those plans and achieve those goals. Do not get distracted in the middle of the chaos and change your decisions. Right? That is gonna have a larger impact rather than sticking and going with the plan. So if it is not working, definitely you should have plan B. But then in order to maximize your efficiency, your potential, and your success, you need to stick to your plans, and that is what is called as stability, being stable. Next is serenity. Create an environment which is warm and generous for everyone. Create that serene environment and where everybody feels nurtured, where everybody feels valued, where everybody can feel that affection and can feel that attention being given and being listened to, so that you can create greater trustworthiness among each other. You can create greater trust, and people can feel free to share their opinions, to share their feedbacks, to share their suggestions, and open to all the solutions and can offer solutions as well. And they can share their problems and challenges as well, so that you can provide them the solutions, right? So it is very essential as a leader. You are the one who can create that environment or atmosphere, be it in your personal settings or in your professional settings, in your community settings, in your social settings, in your gatherings or in your business settings. Everywhere you should try to maintain that environment. Next is simplicity. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, right? Be simple in your every sphere of life. Life is already complicated. There is not even a single person who is not facing any struggles, who has not faced